Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by mounting your camera on a stable tripod and attaching a true macro lens or extension tubes. Reason: optical sharpness and working distance. Set camera to manual mode and choose an aperture around f/8 to f/11 for sharpness, then switch to manual focus for precision. Once done, position continuous LED or diffused flash to the side to reveal texture. Make sure to add black or white cards to control contrast and prevent hotspots on shiny subjects. Now focus carefully. Engage live view and magnify 100% to place focus on the most important plane. Small shifts matter. If depth of field is too thin, plan a focus stack. Move the focus point or camera in consistent increments and capture multiple frames. Keep ISO low to reduce noise and adjust shutter speed to sync with your light source. If using continuous light, slow the shutter and stabilize. Then bracket exposures by one stop to protect highlights. Always shoot RAW for flexibility. Finally, import your files and align them for focus stacking, using a dedicated stacker that aligns and blends each plane. This yields usable depth without losing sharpness. Once merged, perform local sharpening and noise reduction, crop to tighten composition, and clean up any blending artifacts. Clone or heal small mismatches. If your shots are blurry, check for vibration. Enable mirror lockup or electronic first curtain. Use a 2's timer or stronger lights to shorten exposure. That single fix often resolves most blur.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.